tomorrow you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
So hey fams, we are here in the new house and I'm going to be giving you guys just a little tour. The house is not finished as of yet. Today is June 10th and when I did this tour it was July 4th. So we are under construction still. They said that the house will be ready in about a month. So sometime in August, we're going to be looking to move in and I am so excited. So let's go on this tour. So this room is a guest room. I believe it's one of the guest rooms. I believe this house has 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms in the basement and 1 bathroom in the basement. And it is absolutely amazing. Like, I have never lived in a house like this and I am so looking forward to it. My kids are just struck, just in awe. And so am I, honestly. This is the kitchen. It is a humongous kitchen. Y'all heard me talk about having a farmhouse sink, having a 10-foot island, and the kitchen has everything, you guys, everything that I've ever wanted and dreamed of. And I'm so excited about it. So that's the pantry with the black cabinets. This is the island, you guys, and it's 10 feet long. These are going to be cabinets. I'm not sure if there's going to be upper cabinets or not. And then that area was the eating area. This is the living room and this is all upstairs. So this is the living room. And it has a fireplace. Y'all know my heart in fireplaces. So he had this deck. It's not a new build. He's just basically renovating a home that was already in existence and kind of just customizing it to his needs and likes and things like that. And so this is the deck. Y'all know I've always wanted a deck as well, and we finally have a deck overlooking the huge backyard and pool. There goes my baby boy. He is standing there like in awe of God because he's just like, Mommy, I can't believe we get to live here. And I'm like, baby, I know, I'm in the same boat. I cannot believe we get to live here. And I'm telling you, my heart is just so full and just, oh my gosh, just joyful, just so joyful. And it's not about the material. It's just about how God, when you move, when he tells you to move and you obey, just what is waiting for you and the provisions that he has made and is making for my children and I, you guys, it's out of this world. And I'm just so grateful to God for allowing my brother to be just such a blessing to us. And I'm looking forward to repaying him and being a blessing. There goes Caleb Easy, being a blessing to him as well. Nyla didn't want to come out the car. She wasn't ready yet. So we're going to get her out of the car. You'll see soon here enough. But this is the basement, you guys. This is what my brother has given me and my kids. Mikey is going to stay upstairs in one of the bedrooms with him because he wanted him to be closer to him. So, he can mentor him and, all that. But this is the basement he has given to me and my girls, and obviously Mikey can come down whenever he wants, but this is the basement. And guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to decorate this whole basement. I was not expecting this, by the way. I just was looking forward to having a bedroom. Okay, and he literally surprised me when we went to go look at the house. I mean, look at the shower, marble tiles all over the shower and the floors. I am just besides myself. Like, I cried. I cried the entire time because one, I'm just so proud of him, but two, for him to even thought about us and just consider giving us an entire basement, it was a lot of overwhelming emotions for me, and I am just so grateful. The ceilings are 10-foot ceilings, and this is the living room area. So it is a 2-bedroom basement. So my girls are going to have their own bedrooms, and I'm going to be figuring out a Murphy bed placement, where I can place a Murphy bed somewhere. But this is storage area. There's 2 storage areas, and I'm going to be putting all of my home decor, seasonal decor in there, which, by the way, I still have half of my stuff left in New York that I have to go and get, but later for that. This is the dining room area, dining kitchen area. So we also have our own kitchen. And, you know, I'm looking forward to making some meals in there and just really just really making it a home and just a space for me and my girls. This is going to be Nyla's bedroom. So I can't wait to decorate that and do all the wallpapering and all the beautiful fun colors and make it so nice and cozy for her. And then this room, which is the master, I gave it to Michaela, so it's a lot larger, and she has a large walk-in closet and a window. Like I said, there are no lights in the house as of yet because they're still kind of fixing everything. It's on the last leg of renovations, but there are no lights. So I'm going to take you guys through it, give you like an update once they get light and take the wood off the windows. That is the actual window and everything, so that you guys can see in its entirety. But look at these beautiful floors, you guys. I am just in love. This area, I have something planned for it, and I cannot wait to show you guys all the renovations. This is what the basement looks like from the bedroom. And there goes Nyla coming in right now. That's my niece, my brother's daughter. And here goes Nyla Beezy. She's coming in right now. She's about to go take a look at her bedroom, and she just was so happy to see it. Though it was kind of dark, she couldn't really see much, but I'm just so happy that they each have their own space and their own little room to decorate and put their own personal touch and everything in. So she's just kind of walking in just to see what it looks like. But I am just over the moon excited, you guys. And I can't tell you, my heart is just full. It is so full, and it's a happy feeling. It's a joyful feeling. This is our own little patio that my brother is going to be fixing up for us. We can put our own little patio table out there and patio chairs and everything. I am super excited about gardening and that it leads out to the backyard, and it kind of like we have our own entrance going from the backyard to the front. And I'm just so excited about it. I mean, look, that's my mama. Hi, mommy. So I am so excited about it, you guys. Look at this backyard, how huge it is. I mean, it is humongous. We're gonna need like a riding lawnmower just to mow this lawn. But he also has plans to renovate this entire backyard, and I am so looking forward to helping him and renovating the backyard and planting and doing all the things, planting flowers and gardening and just making it very homey and cozy and, you know, whatever his vision is for this space. So I am so excited about it, you guys. This has just been a total dream come true, and I'm just grateful, so elated and so grateful to the Lord. My kids have never seen anything like this, and I feel like their brains has opened up, their vision has expanded, and we're just so grateful. So that's my brother, my baby brother, by the way. And he's walking with Nyla. He's absolutely in love with her. And my niece, my son, he's in love with all my kids. Let me just get that out there. But, you know, he's just he's just like, wow, you know, you are so strong, and just, I want you to have all the comforts of home and, you know, just be happy. So I'm just so grateful to the Lord for him. And I just pray God's richest blessings on his life, in so many ways, As you can see, Mikey is just in awe. He was totally speechless, you guys. Like, he is so happy and so excited, but he's just looking around and taking it all in. He really was just taking it all in. So just so happy about it. And yeah, so if you guys have any comments, leave it down below and let's get a conversation started. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye.
Feeling trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And things that are now floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push